everything you need to know about Testo Ultra before actually buying it. I also have two very important warnings, so pay close attention in everything that I'm going to say. The first thing you need to know about Testo Ultra is, be very careful about the website you're going to buy Testo Ultra, because Testo Ultra is only sold on the official website, with safety and guarantee. To help you, I left the link to the official website down in the description. So what is Testo Ultra and does it really work? The answer is yes, Testo Ultra works really well. And after a lot of laboratory tests, researchers identified that there's natural formula with concentrated ingredients that will improve testosterone levels and sexual function in men, and is expected to do so quickly. It helps men regain their youthful stamina and energy. The power and quality of this powder is guaranteed by the high-quality origins of the organic herbs, carefully selected by the manufacturer. Testo Ultra can be your next best alternative, offering a considerable sexual boost and greater sex satisfaction, along with an increased energy level to allow you to continue without stopping. So yes, you can trust this product, because it will give you great results. There are a lot of people having amazing results with Testo Ultra, and you can have these results too. However, you have to keep in mind that you'll need to make the correct use of the product every day without fail. Another very important thing to know about this product before buying it, you can actually test Testo Ultra for 30 days, and if you don't see any results, or if you don't like it for any reason, you can ask for your money back. And with it you can see that the product is actually good and it's going to bring you a lot of benefits. Also, for Testo Ultra to work you need to use it correctly. You have to take it every day, otherwise you won't have good results and will get a little frustrated. You can already see the effects right on the first month of use, but most people have the best results after 3 months of use. It's also important that you know that Testo Ultra has no side effects, because it's healthy and natural. So I wanted to record this review first to tell you to be careful with the website you're going to buy Testo Ultra from, and if you buy it, use it correctly. Keep in mind that your results will be different than anybody else, since your body acts differently of anybody else's body. I really hope this video helped you, and I also hope that Testo Ultra helps you to change your life and give you the benefits you want and many other benefits this product promotes. Remember, the official website of Testo Ultra is available in the description and in the pinned comment to help you to buy safely and guarantee.